Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a well-designed corner house and lot for sale with 4 bedrooms here in Cainta, Rizal near Pasig City. Now join us as we tour this 2-level home with a lot area of 159 square meters approximately and a floor area of 300 square meters. In terms of the orientation, this property has such a wide frontage here, being a corner lot, and also having this mailbox here is a nice touch. And of course, through your heavy-duty steel pedestrian gate, you immediately have your main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. This home has such a unique feel, but at the same time, so homey and cozy. The first thing that I noticed is the unique tiled finish, which extends not just at the flooring, all the way to the wall here, and even across the staircase and the wall here leading up to the second level. And I also love the textured design for the ceiling with that modern light fixture. This house, I would consider it already to be an interior designed home. The only thing missing here would already just be the curtains and the furniture. And you also even have a nice feature wall here. This is a fantastic conversation piece. Very unique design. You can have your television set right here. And from your living space, this is one of the nicest features of this home. It has a private patio space. This is completely closed off, so it can be viewed from the street. Nice texture design here, and even an Asian feel on this side. Okay. You can easily have tables here. It's partially covered. Great party area. You have access towards the front of the house here as well. And you also have access to one of the rooms through this sliding door. So a fantastic amenity. So that basically almost doubles your living amenity space. You have an outdoor amenity space and then an indoor living area. Now from here, you have your open concept plan for your dining space. Have cove lighting once again, a nice mirror here, and I like the textured wall once again. You can easily have a round table here or a table for 4 to 6 people. And what I like is that there's a delineation between the living and the dining spaces, but it still has that open access. Okay? And from here you have your open kitchen area. Cabinetry matches the tiling here, and you see you have indirect lighting, nice contrast in terms of the white countertop with the gray tiles. You have a double sink space here at your island, and then you already have a cooktop, an induction cooktop, an oven, and a range hood over here. Okay. It has a very modern feel, and I like that you can be here having your meal prep and you can view all the way to the patio space. And of course, let's explore the other areas of this home. This is a fantastic auxiliary kitchen space, fully equipped already with its own range hood, and then double burner cooktop And you also have a stainless steel sink here. Okay? And let's explore upstairs. You have your staff room. Let's go. So this is a fantastic service area because you have your water pump here and you have a centralized water heater, which is Stable branded, which is a quality brand. And this is where you can have your washing machine, laundry area, and then this is where you have your staff room, which also has its own bathroom. So from the staircase area, we're now back here at the auxiliary space. In addition, we can have additional railing included here. No problem for that in terms of safety. And here you have your parking area for 2 vehicles. Completely covered. And you have access once again towards your main entry. You have additional storage here as well. And I like that they made sure that you have these grills here so you have air flowing through the space. Okay, let's head back in. And now it's time to explore your powder room over here. The first thing that I noticed once I came into this home is the quality of the finishes. Everything feels so elegant, very put together. Interior designed. All the colors blend well together. And here you have your first room. Talk about interior design, even the lighting here, so unique. Once again, textured wall. And then access towards your patio space. And then built-in cabinetry here. And then check out the finish of the bathroom. Very elegant. They even have that really nice lighting, floor-to-ceiling tiling, sliding tempered glass, shower enclosure. And this is such a nice design aspect. You have an alternating design for the step. So you have the tile step and then the wood step going up. Okay, let's head on up. The staircase also has a floating design. You can view the living area from here. And you also have such an oversized window for the facade of the house, which lights up your living space and your hallway here at the second level. And check this out. The designers made sure to have a nice aesthetic even for the main hallway space here. Okay, very open, great ventilation also. Let's explore first the 2 bedrooms before we cap it off with your primary bedroom. Let's go here. The second room in the house. Once again, interior design. This is consistent with the aesthetic of what you have in the living space. Vertical wood slab design here. Cabinetry built in. And then I like that they even had the tiling extend all the way to this side. And then here you have your bathroom, ensuite bathroom for the second room. Shower area and then the sink space here on the other side. And then another great feature is that every single room here at the second level has its own balcony. So this is a nice Juliet balcony that just gives you a view of your outdoor patio space. I really like the feel once you come out to this space because of the high ceiling. And now you have your third bedroom right here. This room already has the feel of a master bedroom because of the size. And you have a nice feature wall here. You can have your bed right here, television on the other side. I love how the cabinetry is built into the wall. It's not sticking out. And you also have a larger balcony here. Okay, so you see that this is slightly larger than the last one. And this also has a view of your patio space. Okay. And of course, you have an ensuite bathroom. And I like the sliding pocket door here. Slides into the wall here to save space. And then once again, you have your well-designed bathroom. With 4 rooms, this is an excellent property for a growing family, or if you have a large home and you're looking to occupy a home that's easier to manage, this is also a fantastic property. Okay. Another thing, I love the neighborhood here. It's near a park area, and you also have some nearby amenities in the space, like a basketball court as well. Okay. And right here you have your primary bedroom. And this is unique because it's a corner room versus the other rooms. Of course, larger, once again, with that interior design. And then this is where you can have your bed. You even have the switches here, convenience switches beside the bed. And it also has a large balcony space. So this is significantly larger than the last balconies, and it wraps around the corner of the home. And this is a great additional feature for your primary bedroom. And also, we can't show it but in terms of privacy, but let me tell you, the feel of the space, it's very quiet, very, the feel is really very residential. You can imagine having children playing around near the house, and you'll feel safe. And I think that's one of the things that's important in terms of watching videos like this. It's me conveying the feel of the area, because that's something that me personally, I felt coming into this area. I can imagine raising a family in this area. And of course, you have your walk-in closet space and your elegant bathroom. Such a nice sink area for your primary bedroom also. Okay. And once again, sliding doors here to save space. And that caps off our quick house tour. In terms of accessibility, this property is already near the Ortigas, Pasig area, even though it's situated in the Cainta area. And you also have fast access towards C5 and even Libis. Okay? If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the emailing number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.